Hi, I'm Bob Radosi with Fillauer TRS, and I'm here to show you some new technology that we're working on. As you might remember, we've been working on a variety of different types of devices, adaptations for bicycles for many, many years. And a couple of the ones that we have, this is called our Criterium Pivot. It's been around for quite a while. It's a soft rubber clasping type of device, works very nice. And this is our shorter Criterium Pivot. Well, these are the current models that we have. Well, we decided we wanted to try to produce something at a little higher level of performance for you. So what we've come up with is our newest terminal device, the Criterium Plus. As opposed to just using a rubber clasping type action and force, the Criterium Plus is actually spring closed, so it's mechanical. I'm going to take off my grip 5. I'm going to unlock my Omega wrist here, put this down, and I'm going to put this on for you. So it just slides in. I can lock it in place. Now you'll note there's some features to it. It has we built in a user adjustable radial ulnar pivot, and that's adjustable under this cap with a Phillips head. So you can adjust it to whatever resistance that you want. You can see how it's designed. It's rugged. It's got an aircraft aluminum wrist mount system. It's got an aluminum frame. The rest of it is structural nylon. It is waterproof, and it will take a lot of abuse. We designed this actually initially for BMX biking, so it's designed to handle a wide range of bicycle handlebar diameters, grip diameters, and that was important. But it'll fit diameters of handlebars from 1 inch out to a full BMX style bike, and I think that's an important feature for it. One of the important things to understand about the Criterium Plus is that it never locks, and that's an important feature for safety. So under some load, you're going to pry off of this. It's about 4 inches long. Its width across the axle is about 2.3 inches, and it's about 2.7 inches tall. One of the nice things about it is it's pretty light. It weighs just 6.5 ounces, which is about 180 grams. The distance from the wrist face to the center is just a little over 2.5 inches. So to the center of what would be the handlebars from the wrist. So it's nice and compact. It does operate either as a right or left, doesn't matter. So that eases your prescription. So I want to demonstrate for you just how this device works and how it goes on and off the bars. As I said, it's spring operated. It's got two very powerful extension springs on the bottom here that are easily accessible. So literally you just push it on and pull it off. Now for safety reasons, you can adjust the amount of frictional effort that it takes to put on and off those handle grips by using different type of hand grips or taping, whatever. A smooth bar like this is obviously going to go on and off very easily. It slides off. If this was a soft grip, it would take a lot more effort to get it on and off. But the other way you get this on and off is this Criterium is just to leverage it off. So you snap your elbow out and it just pops off. So if you fall off your bike under a rigorous fall, something like that, you don't have to worry about staying on the handlebars. You, in fact, will come off the handlebars and be able to be free of that bicycle. This is an activity-specific device, a specialized type of tool, so it codes under a L6704. But because of the fact that it's got the pivot wrist, you can also use an add-on L code of L6620, and that'll be important for your reimbursement depending on your patient insurance circumstances, things like that. So because we're feeling this is a crossover device and it has other applications, many of which we are not familiar with yet, I just want to show you how it holds on to something like a stylus. A good friend of ours indicated, who's tried this out, said she put a stylus in it and she was using it for typing. So that's just a quick example of some of the other things that you might be able to do with this Criterium Plus, even though it's designed primarily for different kind of bicycle activities. So here it is, the Criterium Plus, all part of our effort to improve 21st century body-powered technology. I'm Bob Radosi. We'll see you next time.